The cries of a healthy 8-month-old little girl named Perla, a sweet sound to her 17-year-old mother, Alondra Gervasio, after this horrifying crash on Tuesday afternoon, all caught on surveillance video. Gervasio says she doesn't remember much about the moments right before a livery cab hit her and her daughter as she walked along Prospect Avenue in the Bronx on her way to school to take a test.
I didn't feel the pain when the car hit me. I stand up and I was looking for her. Then I saw her under, and I was so scared.
Gervasio says the child was knocked out of the stroller and ended up underneath the cab. And as you can see, the stroller was crushed, but the little girl was alive.
I was screaming for the ambulance to come fast. It was so horrible.
On Wednesday afternoon, Alondra Gervasio and her 8-month-old baby returned to their home here in the Bronx, still very shaken up.
I'm scared. I'm scared now that happened to her.
Though Gervasio is nervous to walk with her daughter on the street, she is just thankful they're alive. In the Bronx, Tracy Carrasco, CBS 2 News.